Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different in this video than I usually do with the coronavirus outbreak everywhere and hand sanitizers being sold out everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. So first we're going to go to the store. We're going to need rubbing alcohol, essential oils, and aloe vera gel. But since we don't have aloe vera gel, they're sold out at the stores, and I didn't want to wait to order some. We're going to make our own aloe vera gel, and for that we're going to need vitamin E oil. Alright, so we have this beautiful aloe vera plant. Look, I actually grew these little baby ones in here too. So we put the leaves in this jar and we're gonna wait till this yellow resin goo kind of falls from it, just because it contains latex and that might irritate your skin. Now we're going to add a few drops of vitamin E oil. I'm not really using much measurement here, but now we're going to blend it all together. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. Now it's gonna be foamy at first, but it'll settle down. Alright, now we're gonna add 20 drops of bergamot because I really like that scent. Batch made about 7 bottles of hand sanitizer. Not bad. Hit a subscribe button, and if you think someone else can benefit of making their own hand sanitizer, like pretty much everyone, because it's sold out everywhere, share this video with someone, and stay clean and safe and healthy. See you in the next one.